This rabbit is a tool for boys to vent their anger. She is also the enemy of all girls. In this world of animals, there is a very clear class system. As an ordinary rabbit, Lily is undoubtedly at the bottom of the ladder. But Lily is just too beautiful. Her roommates hate her social butterfly behavior. They threw her books down from a high place. They even ruined her mattress. Even if someone wanted to help, their friends would stop them.
やめとけよ、春だ。
ありがとう。一人でできるから。
After all, Lily's story had spread across the whole school. Looking at herself in the mirror, Lily didn't understand and felt lost. Was she destined to be bullied just because she was pretty? When she left the bathroom, she met Rexy, who was standing guard. The smell of the rabbit's body was an irresistible temptation to the wolf. On this full moon night, the wolf's hunger reached its peak. The scent of food spread to every nerve in his body. He couldn't control his instincts anymore. He directly lunged at the rabbit. Just as he was about to eat Lily, a scream woke him up. The rabbit took the chance to escape Rexy's claws. She disappeared into the smoke.